I'm going to teach you today how to create such amazing looking Apple-like scrolling animations in a website. It's actually super easy and you don't need to know coding or anything because the AI is going to do everything for you. So the first thing we will need is actually a video of some kind of animation that we would like to see on our website. This can be a person, this can be a product, whatever you like. So I can suggest Kling. Kling is one of the best when it comes to image generation and especially video generation. So you can generate any image or video you like here. And I did this, for example, with this longer prompt here. And I will put it into the comments so you can copy it if you want to. So my idea was a high-end luxury brand wants to do such an animation on their website, and I generated the image from this. The great thing about Kling is you can try it out because it's free. So you can just try out the image generation and the video generation. And then if you want to download the videos without a watermark, I think it's $6 something for the first month if you use the link that I have in the description. And then that's really not a lot. And you can try it out first because you can try it out for free. So you let it generate an image that you need. Again, you can also use a product image that you have, for example. And when it's done, you can just press on generate video. And then you're already set to go. I would suggest to just disable the audio because we don't need it. Here it's important when you're on free trial, you can get still the professional. So please do this when you do a video. 5 seconds, one output is all we want. This costs 25 credits on Kling, and use the video 2.6 model because this is a really great video model. So then just hit generate. Takes a few minutes, and then when we get out, you see here is a nice video, for example. I forgot to put any prompt, but as you can see, the outcome was still what we were looking for. So I was just taking it, but of course you can always ask AI. They also have a feature where you can, with these DeepSeek, will enhance your prompt to make it look better. And then you just download the video file, and it's actually pretty straightforward because you can tell the AI that it can extract the images. So what we want to do is we want to extract frames from this video and then play them one after another to make it look like an animation. You can either, if you're not comfortable doing this with an AI coder, you can use Claude Code, you can use Cursor, you can use anti-gravity, which one you're using, they all can do this. You can just tell it to take the video, create images from it at 20 FPS, which is 20 frames per second, and then build the HTML where those images use a GSAP scroll animation. And this is everything that the AI needs to know. And then it will already build what you're looking for. So let's just hit start. And then the AI will first create the different frames from the video so that we have the baseline for what we need on the website. And then we can put it into, or it will do it itself, put it into the website. And then we will already see the animation. And then I'm going to tell you a very important thing that you need to keep in mind at the end and not just ship it like this, for example. And it says it's already done. So let's look into the page that it created. And as you can see here, we have a really nice animation. Look at that. Oh, that looks really beautiful. That's so cool. Of course, then you can also build the rest of the page, but yeah, that's such a cool animation. And then, I mean, as you have seen, this is a very short thing to do. Only takes a few minutes, but it looks absolutely amazing. Oh, that's pretty cool. I really like it. Yeah. So that's pretty much it already. There's one very important notice that I want to tell you. So when we look into the files it created, you can see here we have the different frames. But when you click into one frame, you can see it's actually 950 kilobytes. So yeah, you cannot, you can just simply not use it like this. This is 94 megabytes, just so the entire frame folder. And please never, ever do something like this to put it on the website like this. That's no, just don't do it. People like will just leave because it takes way too long to load the page. What you want to do is you will tell them, if you're happy with the result, you tell your AI coder, you just tell it to create a Python tool that converts all of the images from the frames into AVIF, so that it's much smaller and better optimized. There will be no difference in what you see, but it will be way smaller size. So let's just do this. Okay, so it says it's done. So we have another folder now. And as you can see, the images, they are way smaller. They are 57 kilobytes. So this is much, much better. And then you can also, like, you can even optimize it more without any difference in quality. So yeah. So please keep this in mind. Don't use them full size unoptimized. This is definitely not possible. But those are this is a really neat trick to do with AI coding for websites. This is one of them that's like the Apple-like scrolling thing. Use it for your designs. It will make it look so much better. And again, use it also with products where you can then generate some nice videos and use them as animations. If you want to learn more about AI and if you want to know which models are the best, then feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.